What's up, y'all? It's your boy Cahden. So it's an ongoing debate. Which is more important when it pertains to attracting women? Is it money, status, or is it the last thing, looks? Right? Most of us grow up, bro, and at some point in our development, bro, some point in growing up as a man, you see somebody with better looks than you, or more money than you, or more status than you, and you wonder like, man, why can't I have that? You wonder like, man, he must get all the girls because he got all the money. At some point you wondered that. Maybe you was blue pill when you did it, but at some point you wondered it, right? Well, here's my opinion on the debate, bro. On the money, status, and looks debate, bro. Don't none of that shit matter if you don't have game to back it up. Because you have to understand, bro, that money and status and even looks, they don't matter. All they matter for is getting you choosing signals. All they matter for is getting you in the door, bro. Because at the end of the day, they don't seal the deal. They don't close the door. They don't get you where you need to go. It's dudes out here, bro. It's literally dudes out here with pockets full of money and they blue pill, beta simp ass bitches, bro. You got all this motherfucking money, bro. A great example, bro. Jeff Bezos. He did the one thing. He made a huge mistake, bro. He got married. And this man, and even though it's a drop in his cup, bro, this man lost out on billions fucking with these hypergamous ass women, bro. She wasn't with him shooting in a gym. She wasn't with that man shooting in a gym. When he was building his business, when he was making Amazon fucking worth as much as it's worth right now, bro. That woman wasn't in there shooting in, like, she wasn't with him. She wasn't crunching numbers. She wasn't doing nothing. But she get to take billions away from my mans. Billions. Because they got married. You know, that's always crazy to me. But really, having money, that's all. Money and no game, that's all you set yourself up for, bro. So it's definitely not money. It's definitely not status. Because at the end of the day, it's the same thing with status and looks, bro. All of it. Any of these ingredients, bro, without game, it's just like putting seasoned salt on uncooked chicken, bro. And then eating uncooked chicken. Your goof ass gonna catch salmonella. It still ain't good to eat. It still ain't good to eat, bro. It still ain't good to eat. And what I mean by that is the money, status, and looks debate is irrelevant, bro. Because you could be not the greatest looker in the world, but if you got status and money, like Jay-Z. Jay-Z got one of the baddest females in the world, bro. He got one of the baddest females, bro, in the world, bro. And he ain't a good-looking dude. He ain't a good-looking dude at all. Love Jay-Z. That dude ugly. And that's just the reality of it, right? He got money and status, but with no game, he wouldn't have got Beyonce. He wouldn't have been able to keep Beyonce. You know Jay-Z got game. You know Jay-Z an alpha male when you look at Jay-Z, bro. You know it. You know Jay-Z is. But you got guys who got status, who got money, and they in and out of relationships. They in and out of marriages 3 and 4 times. And all it's doing is taxing their soul, bro. And you got to protect your energy. These women are vampires to your soul, bro. These women are vampires. So at least if you're going to have a vampire to your soul, bro, at least if you're going to have somebody taking your energy, you want somebody that wants you, bro. You want somebody whose attraction level is a 8, 9, or 10 for you, bro. And this guy's out here with money and status who they don't get it because they ain't got the game to back it up. So the only thing them women sticking around for is that money and status. At the end of the day, she ain't gonna ride for you. That's the reality of it. She ain't gonna ride for you. She ain't got no super high attraction level for you, bro. She don't. That's the reality of the situation, bro. She don't. So in this debate of money, status, and looks, it's really irrelevant. At the end of the day, what matters most in this blue pill world we live in, bro. This blue pill simp world that tell you supposed to treat a woman right. You supposed to give her everything you got and she ain't gotta really give you nothing in return. These women don't even cook no more, bro. They don't even cook no more. Most of them. Like they not supposed to give you nothing in return. Really? But her love and affection, bro. How come she get my love and affection and all my resources, but all I get back is her love and affection? How come her love and affection is valued more than my love and affection? That does not make any sense to me, bro. That has never made any sense to me, bro. That's some red pill shit I've always had. Some red pill shit I have always been able to grasp, bro. Since I was little, bro. I'm not finna, no female's attention and her love is more valuable than mine. It will never be, bro. Going back to the money, status, looks debate, bro. Let's go to looks, bro. When it comes to looks, a guy could be a good looker, bro. And I'll tell you this. Check it out. I know a guy. He used to be my homie. Some stuff happened. I'm going to tell y'all about that at another time. I'm going to tell y'all about that at another time. That's some content I want to drop on some exclusive shit. But I had a homie. And this was a good-looking dude, man. Like, a real good-looking dude. Like, good-looking dude. But he's a complete and utter blue pill ass simp, bro. Like, the biggest simp I probably ever met, bro. And, yeah, he would get women initially interested in him. He would get IOIs, indicators of interest. Yeah, he would get choosing signals and women wanting to come towards him and figure out who he is. But he could never close the deal, bro. He could never close the deal. And then he would get jealous of me and another guy in our group of guys who always close. We ain't the top looking dudes in our group. We ain't the best looking dudes in the world. But we always closed because we had the ingredient that's most important to this recipe, bro. We had game. So in the looks, money, status debate, we missing the most important ingredient, bro. We missing game, bro. You could be a dirty, bum-ass dude, right? And you got game. And you still gonna be able to close more women than a dude with a bunch of money, bro. With a lot of money and no game at all. Yeah, his money gonna get him in the door. And he might get more shots than you. He might get more shots up. But he ain't gonna hit none of them, bro. He ain't gonna hit none of them. Damn, nigga, get off my ass. Can't drive and shit. But he not gonna hit none of them, bro. So, I tell you fellas, you red pill guys, you alphas, bro. I tell the guys who understand this, I tell y'all, like, you should never be intimidated by a guy who seemingly got more looks, more status, more money than you, bro. Because if your game is tighter, if you moving right, if you know what to do, if you know not to pursue her, if you know that when you get her number, wait 2-3 days before you call her, if you know that you hit up once a week, in the beginning you reach out to her once a week until she start reaching out to you to hang out more. If you know that you're not supposed to validate her unless she's jumped through fucking hoops for one piece of validation, aka feed her scraps. If you know you supposed to feed her scraps so that she could keep chasing your validation. If you know that women operate via an emotional roller coaster, bro, and you supposed to employ the push-pull strategy on her, AKA, you keep her emotions going up and down, and you controlling her emotional state because you got emotional leverage over her all the time, bro. If you know all these things, and that man with money and status and looks, he can have all three of them: money, status, and looks. Your game gon' win out, bro. Because at the end of the day, that's what she want, bro. She want to play the game. She want a red pill alpha male man to smash, bro. To take her soul. That's what she want, bro. At the end of the day. And if you portray, if you put forth the traits that seem like you could give that to her, that's what she want, bro. Because at the end of the day, women want sex more than we do. The difference is women want good sex. Because 90% of these guys out here don't know what they doing. You blue pill ass bitches, y'all don't know how to smash, bro. Y'all don't know how to take these female souls, bro. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know how to get her to bust so hard that she can't stop thinking about you all day, bro. And guess what? The red pill man, the alpha man, he do. And that's what she looking for. So you could have all the money, status, and looks in the world. It don't matter if you ain't got no game. That's not to say you don't want to have these things, bro. Because at the end of the day, you want to increase your sexual market value to be as high as possible. And looks, money, and status, they all increase your sexual market value, bro. I would put them on an equal playing field for how they increase your sexual market value. Yes, you can increase your looks when you get in shape, when you get your body right. That's increasing your physical looks, bro. When you get in shape, when your body get right. So you might not be able to increase your face. That's just the genetics, bro. But when you get in shape, you look better. Your status, working on your purpose, grinding until the wheels fall off, bro. We gonna grind and get your status up. Your status come with grinding, working on your purpose, bro. Getting your fashion smacking, getting your fashion right. If you got all three of those and the game, the clothes, you unstoppable, bro. You could give these women a taste of their own damn medicine out here. How they trapping guys, how they getting these blue pill guys to be they beta male providers, bro. Well, we create something new over here, bro. We creating something new over here. We creating beta female providers, bro. We making these females buy us what we want, get us what we want, and give us bomb head because we can, bro. Because we got that kind of emotional control over her. Because we understand the things we need to understand. But that's it, bro. That's it, bro. This some real red pill shit for you, bro. And that's what we out here trying to do. We trying to create a world where we can do this on our own terms, dog. Because for me, the end goal is 2 women, which I already got. 2 women sitting up in a waterbed, bro. Enjoy. Yeah, I'm bringing the waterbeds back. Sitting up in a waterbed, bro. Enjoying having super success with my purpose. Having status. Having money, bro. But at the same time, I know that I have the game to always be where I want to be in life, bro. Not just females. Having game work towards life, bro. You learn how to be more charismatic. You learn how to get more money. You learn everything, bro. I approach everything with game, bro. I approach life with game. I understand that Everything in life is a negotiation, bro. That's why a game works, because you playing a game. Negotiation is a game. Everything in life is a negotiation, bro. And I understand I'm negotiating the best terms for me. If you lose the negotiation, you lose out. That's why women be cucking these blue pill ass dudes, bro. That's why. Because they lose the negotiation. All they got to negotiate with is, oh, I got money. Oh, I was nice to her. I pursue her. I give her somebody to dump her emotions on. Like, that's all you negotiating with, bro. Your negotiating chips ain't strong enough, bro. You ain't got no poker face. She beat you at your game. And you can't play her game. You can't play, that's why we ain't emotional over here. Because you can't play her game in her playing field, bro. You can't play in the emotional playing field with no woman. They've been doing this their whole lives, bro. They've been doing this their whole lives. And you think you gonna win in a game of emotions? Oh, it don't work like that, my dude. It don't. At the end of the day, that's what I'm negotiating for myself. So ask yourself, bro, in this money, status, looks debate, this world of which one is more important, none of them more important, bro. It's about what you negotiate for yourself. You could get these women, you could get choosing signals with either one or all of them. But you gotta have the game to finish it out, my dude. And that's the gist of it. But that's the video for today, bro. I just went on a whole ass rant, and that's kind of funny. Hit that motherfucking like button, bro. Like this shit. Make sure you subscribe if you ain't subscribed already, bro. If not, you missing out, bro. Cause we taking souls over here. Stay tuned, bro. Cahden Alpha Nerd. I'm at this.